how to make chocolate and date bars. These are slightly addictive, and if you don't like dark chocolate, I've got a hack for you. So don't worry, there are other ways that you can enjoy this and get used to dark chocolate. So first of all, you're going to need a little mini tin here. This is about 15 centimetres by 10 centimetres, and I've just lined it there so it's easy to get the chocolate out. Then I've got a pan of simmering water, and over it you're going to place a bowl. Now, here is the tip. I know that not everybody likes dark chocolate. I love it, but it can be a little bit hard to get used to, so why not make it half and half? So that's 100 grams of milk chocolate and 100 grams of dark chocolate. I'm going to be using half of that so far, so 50 grams of dark and 50 grams of milk. If you love dark chocolate, don't worry, just use full dark. Then you're just going to simmer that down till it's all melted and then pour it into the base of your tin. Just give it a swirl round so that it gets in all those corners, and then you're going to pop it in the freezer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it out and you're going to place in around 6 to 8 chopped dates, along with 2 tablespoons of pistachio nuts and 1 tablespoon of mixed pumpkin and sunflower seeds. I'm just pressing this down so that it gets into the chocolate. Then you're going to melt the other half of the chocolate that you've reserved. Now for the nut butter, you can choose any that you fancy. So 2 tablespoons, and just to smoothen it down and make it easier to spread, I'm just putting it in with a tablespoon of hot kettle water. Again, just spread that over the mixture. Then the last lot of melted chocolate over the top. And then in the fridge it goes until it firms up and you're able to slice it. Then just take off that baking paper, pop it into slices and then into cubes. It is rather sickly, hence why I like using the dark chocolate, because the sweetness of the dates and the bitterness of the chocolate just works perfect. And if you want the full written recipe of this date and chocolate bar, go to my website. It's cookingwithemily.co.uk.